Today, we will commission a grid extension that will bring electrical power to an entire community of 148 households and all of their activities. The Energy Fiji Limited extended the grid some 26 kilometers to bring much needed power to you at a cost of just under $3 million. My government is working hard to meet our goal of ensuring that every Fijian has access to reliable electrical power by the end of 2021. We are doing it at one community at a time, one island at a time, one settlement at a time. But progress is steady and sure, and I think we will meet our goal. Fiji neglected the needs of its rural communities for too long, but that is now in the past. We have the will to raise up the living standards of our rural communities. We will find the resources, and we do have the will. If we face challenges of remoteness of terrain, we will find the ingenuity to overcome them, and we do have the ingenuity. If we meet unforeseen obstacles along the way, we will adapt, and we are very adaptable. This extension of the electrical grid is already making a huge difference in your lives. It gives you more flexibility in your day because you will always have light for your work or to help your children with their studies or to read or sew or enjoy the company of friends and neighbors. I like to say that having power 24/7 gives you control over time, and time is a precious commodity. Once it is gone, it cannot be recovered. So we need to use it well. I'm also pleased that the children will be able to study and do their homework lessons after work, so they can enjoy the daylight hours in outdoor play and sports, things that are essential to a child's development. They can help their parents at work during daylight and still be able to study in the evening. The school will have guaranteed electrical power, which opens tremendous opportunities for teaching. And everyone can use whatever electronic devices they need and keep them charged. These may seem like little things to people who take electrical power for granted, but they are a very big thing to people for whom electrical power has always been rationed during the day. You will also not have to put up with the noise and the fumes created by generators, and I'm sure you are pleased with that. Ladies and gentlemen, our rural communities deserve the advantages of the modern world, and my government is determined to end the inequality between our rural and urban areas. Life in rural communities will never be exactly the same as in urban areas, but we can compensate for the remoteness and sparse population in rural areas by having a sensible plan to bring them water, bring power, healthcare, and education, and finding the best way to deliver the most effective services to each community. And that is exactly what we are doing. Ladies and gentlemen and children, I promise you that your government is listening to you and is keen to ensure that you have the standard of living that every Fijian deserves. I thank you for waiting so patiently for this day, especially this morning. I expect this extension to open up new economic opportunities, new educational opportunities for your children, and greater happiness for you all. And I will ever thank you, and God bless you all.
Thank you.